Hi students, thank you very much to meeting you. This is our third video about Scratch. Here in Scratch, I will explain for you how to convert your idea. It is very important to have a process to convert your idea from your imagination. The idea, maybe it will be a story and maybe it will be a game. So, if you want to do something, you must understand how to convert this into a logic steps. For example, students, now I want to make a character to fly. So, or to have a reaction inside my application. Here I will delete this one. For example, I can add a new photo here from this. Here I can add from the program, this website. Here I can choose a sprite. Here I can paint a sprite. Or here I can make the website give me a sprite. Here I can upload my sprite from computer. So if I want, for example, I can take this girl, Abby. It will be here, and I want to make this girl to ask me. This is the story. This girl, she will ask me about my name. She will say, "Hi, what's your name?" After that, I will tell her my name. After that, she will ask me about my age. If my age, take care student, there from the story. If my age will be more than 10 years old, she will say for me very good, for example. And if my age less than 10 years old, she will say for me, oh my god, for example, or you are little, so little, for example. So here, students, I will write here, for example, at first I must understand how to start my application. From here, I will click in this flag. I will start from this point. So after that, in the second, she will ask me about my question. So I will give here the answer. After that, she will ask me about age. This is my steps. So I must understand how to write these steps and into a sentence, okay? And in the next step, I will convert this sentence into a reaction or a code inside my application. So here, students, I will make, she will ask me about my name. She will say, hi, what's your name? So I will go for sensing and I will add ask. Okay, so after that, I will add here hi. Okay, and what's your name? Okay, now I will click here. No, it does not say anything. There is nothing. Why? Because I don't have the reaction of this flag. So it is very important to add this flag at first. After that, I will add ask. So now she will ask me, hi, what's your name? I will write here, Negm, for example. After that, I will press enter. That's only, oh yes, because I hadn't here another codes for the another steps. So I must analyze my application, my idea. After that, I must add here I can add here more information or more code about the other sentence or the other steps inside my game or my application. So here she will ask me about my name and she will take this name, whatever this name, Muhammad, Negm, Ali, Hussein, maybe I can give here a girl name. So like Sumaya, like Zainab, whatever. So she will take this name to ask you about another thing. So I will divide this into three parts. The first part is, for example, she will say hi. The second part, she will say my name. The third part, she will ask me about my age. So students, I will take from sensing another question and I will go for operators. Here I can use join, this join, and I will add three times. I will add join here three times, as you can see here. After that, I will go for here I will take looks and I will use here I will say hi, and here I will add from sensing the answer, which answer, whatever this answer, and here I will say how old are you? Okay, this is the question. Now I will start my game, my application. Hi, what's your name? My name is Negm. Okay, and I will press enter. Hi Negm, how old are you? Here there is something wrong. As you can see, hi and Negm and how in one word. There is no space inside my application. So what is the problem? Here the computer is reading only what you are writing. So after hi, I will add here a space, and before how, I will add a space like this. Now I will start the game and I will write name. After that, I will press enter. Now everything is okay. Okay, students. Now she will ask me about the age. I will write here, for example, 10, and now I must add the code of the next steps. So I will go for control and I will use if and else. Here in if else, I must understand how to write if and else, how to use if. Here I am saying that I have two results. Maybe I can have more than these results. Yes, I can use another sentence and we can do it in another applications. So if my age more than, so I will say this, if my age more than 10 years old, she will say for me, very good, for example. Or if my age less than 10 years old, she will say for me, you are small. So I will go here for operators and I will use this equation more than, and I will write here 10. So what I will add here, I will add my answer like this. If my answer more than 10, she will say for me here, for example, I will go for logs and she will say for me hello, or she will say for me good, for example. Okay, and maybe she can stay or wait for little time. So I can delete this like that and I can take this. Here she will stay and wait for 2 seconds. After that she will close the program. Okay? Or if students, now my answer is more than 10 years old. But here if my answer less than, here I will add this in else. So I will duplicate this here. And she will say for me, you are little boy. Okay, students. Yeah, little boy. Maybe I can add this point. Okay. Now, students, I will start my application here. What's your name? I will write name. Okay, she will ask me about my age. So I will write here, for example, 11. She will say for me, very good. After that, I will start the application. Name again. I will write this here. Okay. She will say, hi Negm, how old are you? I will write 9. She will say, you are a little boy. So what I will write here in the third, I am writing more than 10 and less than 10. What about 10? Okay, so I will start again the application. Okay, and here, oh, hi Negm, how old are you? I will write 10. She will say for me, you are little boy. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so she will say for me, you are little boy. It means that it takes the answer 10 and less than 10, reading this as little. Okay, but more than 10, everything more than 10, it will be in the first answer. It will take the first answer. It's very good. Thank you very much and waiting you for the next video.